I got something sticky on my arm. Or on the table. Go ahead.
We were challenged by Happy Place Diaries to do the research challenge. So we are going to do that, and it is 10 questions that we're going to answer. Are you ready?
I didn't do any research.
It's not for that.
Okay.
It is for
Clark State in Springfield.
In Springfield, Ohio. So are you ready?
I'm ready. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready? The only way I know if you're ready or not is if you've gone ahead and hit that subscribe button if you're not already a subscriber, and ring that notification bell so you'll know when we post new content. And let's get on to these questions.
Have you named your RV?
No, we can't come up with a name.
We've named it.
Oh, we have? What do we name it?
Home.
Yeah, it is home. But
we even have a sign on the door. It says home.
True. Any suggestions out there from the viewership? Because leave us a note in the comments below. We're struggling to find. I mean, it's a Tiffin, so we can't call it Tiffany because a lot of people do that already. So we wanted something unique and meaningful.
Right.
We just ain't got there yet. But we've only had it for 2 years, so it's not like we're procrastinating on it. Right?
Right.
Okay, what's next?
What is your favorite traveling activity?
Even before we had an RV, it was all about the local stuff whenever we traveled. Local eateries, local shops.
Local history?
Definitely local history,
Yeah.
especially if it's quirky history.
Yes.
We like that.
We like quirky and unusual oddities.
So that's it. That's our story and we're sticking to it.
Yep. Have we done any RV renovations?
Well, renovate would mean you tore something out and replaced it with something, at least in my mind. We really haven't done that, but we've done some upgrades and modifications. We filmed your curtains and the tiles you put on the steps, but we haven't put that video out yet because it's really about 2 minutes long. Probably need to work on that because you've already switched the curtains out.
I had it for 6 months and
and
changed it up.
We put I guess that's a modification.
We really haven't done modifications. Like we haven't, ripped out wallpaper or repainted or moved walls or anything like that.
Yet. What's next?
See, number 4 is, what is your favorite holiday for traveling to a new place? And I know what this is.
Okay.
We just talked about it today.
First of all, since we're full-timers, we move where we want to go, when we want to go. So it's not a matter of holidays necessarily, but as it stands right now, and when I say right now, I mean right now, like where I'm at right now. Well, Shelly's here too, and so is Talon. But where we're at right now is where I want to be for Veterans Day weekend.
That is what I was going to say.
And where are we at right now?
We are in Branson, Missouri, and they have a wonderful celebration all week long for veterans, the week of Veterans
Lots
Day.
of freebies and discounts. They love veterans here in Branson.
They do.
And they're very appreciative of veterans, and as a veteran, I'm very appreciative of them appreciating us.
They're actually appreciative all year long.
True.
But especially during that time.
Yeah, they make a big deal out of it.
Yeah, we happened upon it one year, and it just made us feel really special. So we appreciate it, and that would be our favorite holiday probably to be somewhere.
Yep.
All right, so how much time do you spend traveling in your RV each year?
Okay, well, since we're full-time RVers, we sold our house last year. We live in the RV full-time. Now, do we travel in the RV all the time? No. Our goal is to stay 2 to 3 weeks in one location and then move somewhere else 3 to 4 hours away and just keep that pattern. That's the goal. We've been able to do that a few times, but we've also been stuck in some places for months due to like my medical appointments and things like that. So.
Yep. All right, so the next one is, do you travel alone? Yes and no.
I travel with my wife and Talon.
Right.
But yes and no is right. I mean, we do a lot of travel on our own, and we do a lot of travel with friends. And it's always better with friends, right?
Right.
So.
And currently we are caravanning with friends.
Yep.
Okay.
To meet up with other friends.
To meet up with other friends.
To caravan.
To caravan.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we're caravanning with friends to a caravan with friends. Yeah.
It's a neat word, caravan.
Yeah.
All right. So
Brits
then-
will think we're talking about a camper
Yes, that's true.
because they call them caravans.
Right. If you could recommend one destination, where would it be?
I think some of the places we're getting ready to go to are going to be the places we're going to mention and recommend people to go to. But we haven't gone there yet, so we don't know for
So
sure.
we can't recommend them, but
Right.
since we haven't been out west, then, you know, some of those might be more of what, oh man, you got to see this. But I would say that Branson right now is probably our favorite for like lots to do here, very welcoming community, just a great place to be all around. So.
Yep. Next.
All right. Let's see, number 8. What are your favorite foods to bring or make on your trips?
Well, we're full-timers, so we bring it all. And I see this question a lot on social media is like, you know, what do you cook when you go camping? Well, a modern camper, when I say modern, I mean 20 years old or newer, maybe even older than that, has a microwave, has a stove, has an oven. So you can cook anything you can cook in a house. But a lot of people think, well, we're camping, so we have to cook these special camp meals. So, but no, you can bake a cake, you can cook, whatever you want. With that said, tacos.
And let's see, number 9. Would you rather camp in the woods or by the water?
Yes.
Both.
Yeah, I mean, not to steal anybody's answers, but being in shaded areas where you can see the water. But if I had to choose between those two, water.
Water.
Specifically, big bodies of water like oceans or the Gulf or a really big lake. I know a lot of people call these small bodies of water about the size of this picnic table we're sitting at, and they call them a lake. That's not a lake.
No.
That's a pond or puddle.
No.
Puddle pond.
And our last question. Do you have any advice for other RVers?
Yes. If you currently have an RV, enjoy the RV. Use the RV. Even if that means you have to be in your backyard because you can't break away for whatever reason. Enjoy it. If you don't own an RV, then take your time finding one that's right for you. And here's the key, the one that's right for you, because there's a reason why they make a bazillion different types and floor plans of RVs. That's because everybody likes something a little different. We have a Class A motorhome. That's our preference because it's easy for us and what we want to do. We have friends that have travel trailers. We have friends that have fifth wheels. We have friends that have vans and
Class C, yep,
and
all of
Class C's, all the above. And they're the perfect RV for them. So you got to figure out what you want and go.
We even have friends
get
who
it.
tent.
Yeah,
So.
tent. Too old for that.
Yep. So enjoy life in the moment that you're in.
Yeah.
That's our recommendation.
Okay.
Advice. So now we have to challenge somebody.
We got to challenge somebody, and we're going to do this a little different. We're going to just pick. Honestly, we're just sitting here. We're going to just pick somebody who's just walking by or something. Hey, you, come here.
Let's challenge them.
Random people we're going to challenge.
Hey.
So these random people right here. Hey, you're being challenged. Nice shirt,
That's
by the way. This is, in case you didn't know, this is Mel and Nettie. Actually, Mel and Nettie.
Yes.
I got it backwards. Living free, zip codeless. And if you haven't checked them out, you need to do that because, first of all, you've got to watch their answers to these questions because we just challenged them.
That's right.
Wait a minute, they hadn't accepted yet. Yeah, they did. They just
they
did. They just did. So they accepted. I felt the nodding of the head behind me. So they accepted, and so we're going to look forward to seeing their answers to these questions as well. And we want to thank you guys for watching this video. And what do we say at the end of all of our videos?
Make your next journey an epic adventure.
Epic. Bye.
See ya.